Hello everyone, just a quick one. I'm not used to this. I'm a 60-year-old old codger, that was hard to say. This is my bike. Basically it's just a bit of fun toy for my age. Got some extras fitted to the bike, so one of the lads wanted to know what they were. Spirit Beast handlebar risers. As you can see, they rise, that's where they normally would rise, certainly rise 3 more inches higher. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. No vibrations, a lot easier on my back, a lot normal, comfortable ride, not leaning forward as much, etc. So they're brilliant. I've also got a Koda rear fender eliminator on the bike, which is absolutely brilliant. Sound, oh, what a sound! Vince LV10 short stubby, absolutely beautiful. It just makes a lot of noise, as you might imagine. But it's absolutely a beautiful thing. And basically, yeah, I've got a Puig Screen, we've got LED indicators all around. It's absolutely lovely little bike to ride. About 90 miles per gallon I'll get out of her. My first video, so I'm just going to play it as it goes, and sorry if it's all rubbish and stuff, but I just wanted to show you what I've done to the bike so far. It's good fun. Thank you. Right, so that was my little ride out, old Codger on a bike. I'm just going to go recap again. Got the Spirit Beast handlebar risers. As you can see, they're absolutely brilliant. And they don't actually, there's no vibrations, it just lifts the front handlebars up that much that it's just so comfortable. But you couldn't hear, because it was the actual recorder was in a case, couldn't hear the sound of the bike. So as promised, I'm going to put the sound of the bike on now, so I'm just going to switch her on. That was it really. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.